the installation side, the replaceability. This one is awesome. So what we've created is all of our signage now for our arches are running with a modular system. So when I say modular, every one of them now is with a swivel bracket. So what that allows us to do is when we ship these to you, we're shipping those out as individual panels. It also allows us to lock these in a little bit differently on the shipping, cause less damage on LTLs. But what makes it really neat is, if let's say you were running behind on your designs, we can ship you the arch, and then we can ship you these panels later. So you can still finish your tunnel and have everything ready to go. So every single arch we make, whether it's the Monster Arch, the Galaxy Arch, the Flex Arches, all the ones that we do are now coming with these modular brackets, which are super nice. They lock in with stainless steel hardware. And the nice thing is, if you already have a QuadX Arch, let's say your pre-silk arch is there, but you don't have something on the front, you don't even need to buy an arch now. We can just put this on your existing arch. We can also do all of our module, like our flex pieces. We can do those and you just stick them right on your existing arch. So this is our new innovation, which is our fully modular design. And the nice thing is, it really gives a nice stiff feel to it as well. So I think you'll like it.